Cardano 88 transaction grew 75% as it becomes the third largest NFT network. Cardano 88 is making things happen, and let's talk more about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. These transactions are really adding up, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, transaction being made on the Cardano 88 network has grown to hit 97,959 on October 9th, a figure that represents a rise roughly 75% month on month, according to data from cryptocurrency, actually blockchain. Now, this figure was first shared by a popular Cardano influencer, 88 Whale, who noted that the network trading volume for NFTs, non-fungible tokens, also grew 3,000,088 in a single day, solidified the network position as the third largest NFT protocol. Now, Cardano 88 is making noise not only in terms of the blockchain and the pricing and also the development, but the NFTs seem like they're getting more involved in this. Now, how many of these transactions were related to NFTs is unclear, although data from Stickwits has shown Cardano 24-hour NFT volume recently hit 1.2 million as it fell only behind Ethereum and Solana. So Cardano is one of those projects to keep an eye on as it continues moving forward. Now, earlier this week, a popular cryptocurrency analyst warned that in the short term, the price of Cardano could crash if the smart contract platform doesn't recover to previous levels in the near future. Now, a wider bearish downturn that has affected the entire cryptocurrency market. So that's something to pay attention to in terms of Cardano. But right now, Cardano transaction grew 75% as it became the third largest NFT network. Very interesting. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the best place for crypto education, and I'll see you on the next video.